In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter by date in Gmail. If you've ever found yourself scrolling endlessly through your inbox, searching for that one elusive email, you're in the right place. Using the date filter in Gmail can save you time and make your email management much more efficient. Let's dive into how you can achieve this step by step. First, open your Gmail account and direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll notice the search bar. This bar is a powerful tool that lets you sift through your emails using a variety of search criteria, including the date feature we'll be using today. To start filtering your emails by a specific date range, you'll want to type in a specific format into this search bar. Type the word after, followed by a colon. Immediately after the colon, you'll need to specify the date in the format of year, month, and day. Make sure there are no spaces between these elements, just year, then month, then day. What this does is tell Gmail to display only those emails received after this specified date. Next, we need to define the end of our date range. This is accomplished by typing the word before, followed by another colon, and again, provide a date in the same year, month, day format. This tells Gmail that you want to see emails from before this particular day. With these two parameters, you effectively set a sandwich of dates, offering a snapshot of your communications during this time period. To give you an example, imagine you want to view emails from the first half of January 2020. You'd enter after 2023 101 before 2020 115 into the search bar. Hit the enter key, and voila! You will see a curated list of all emails exchanged during that specific period. By using this feature, you not only keep your inbox tidy, but also save valuable time that would otherwise be spent manually searching. It's a simple yet highly effective way to manage your email history. If you're one to regularly conduct emails over different time spans, consider getting into the habit of using this search method. You'll find that you gain quick access to critical communications without the hassle of digging through a cluttered inbox. This technique makes it almost like magic, bringing up precisely what you need in just a few keystrokes. I hope this method enhances the way you use Gmail and streamlines your email management. Thank you for joining me today, and happy emailing!